Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Tori's Reading Corner. What kind of book should we read today? It looks like Tori has chosen Disney Frozen 2, Fearless by Nature. Come on, let's see what's inside. Elsa has the power to control snow and ice. She is magical and larger than life. Anna is an optimist. She is always looking on the bright side. Kristoff and Sven are lifelong friends. They are always ready for a new adventure. Olaf appreciates every moment in life. He always takes time to stop and smell the flowers. They are stronger together. The end. If you enjoyed that story and want to read more amazing books and stories with us, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Bye bye.